Hello, so this is a demo for the VGA text driver and the PS2 keyboard driver is working. So basically this FPGA right now is running both the drivers. So I directly hook up the PS2 keyboard with the VGA text card driver. So as we can see, if I type type here, so like hello. So as we can see here, on the same time I was typing, it will appear on the screen. Also, there's a small state machine to control the backspace, which is pretty fancy, I guess. So how does this whole thing works? So this keyboard is outputting PS2 code here, right here. So it's in serial. It's in a serial goes in there, and like I have a PS2 module, like I described in my short report. So in the PS2 module, it takes the PS2 code and shift them into a shift register, and so when they're in the shift register, when the shift register is full, basically saying that one transmitting is finished. So at that spot, I would do. I have some combination logic to do basically do error checking. So basically checks if the package is complete or not. So if the package is complete, that is going to feed into the PS2 to ASCII2 converter, basically another piece of hardware that is used to convert the PS2 code to a 7-bit ASCII2 code. By the way, this is the this right here, the hex display that is displaying the, I think it's displaying the ASCII2 code of whatever key I'm pressing. So if I'm pressing like capital A, so that's like 41. Okay. So also it appears here. So so after that, I get the ASCII2 code. The ASCII2 code is directly feeds into my VGA video RAM. So what is the video RAM? Video RAM is basically the memory that is hold the everything, all the content on the screen. So each of those character is one address in my video memory, which is like it's an 8 by 8 bit. Sorry, it's like it's an ASCII2 code there. So each slot on the screen, that's one of my corresponding to one of my VGA video RAM. So both the everything here, even they are blank, looks like they are actually just zeros in the VGA video memory. So with all zeros, it's just indexing to my character generation ROM and like display blank background basically. So after the VGA video RAM, so the video RAM is used to, each slot is used to index into a character generated ROM that is storing the bitmap for each character, like those. So it's like 8 by 8, 8 in height, 8 in width. So let's use that to so that is used a bitmap to store those pattern, like kind of like the fonts of the characters. That's basically how I'm able to display that onto the screen. So this is that. So and also the VGA driver, of course, have the edge sync and VSync. That is like for the monitor to detect the device, and like also have a pixel clock to make sure they actually line up on the screen. So so in general, more general concept is basically like so video RAM is storing whatever content is on the screen, and for each frame, like it's 60 hertz or whatever, but like for each frame, I have some combination logic to basically to dump the whole video RAM onto the screen. Like the whole video RAM goes through the character generator ROM and goes through the pixel clock RGB generator or whatever, and that is being dumped entirely to the screen. So whenever I press something, so hello world, RLD. So it is just being dumped into the screen. So like right now in my video memory, there's like HELLOA space WORLD and like the mark. So this is basically how does the PS2 keyboard, the VGA text card, how that work.